Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make shawarma bread at home. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. The first thing I'll be doing is to sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Hope you guys are seeing that particles. Add 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Combine the ingredients together. Add half cup margarine. Rub the margarine in the flour. Until you get a crumbly texture. If you guys are seeing this, add 1 cup of hot water, not boiling water, hot water. Mix. Continue to knead with hand. Transfer to a flat surface and continue to knead for 10 minutes. This process determines the outcome of your shawarma bread, so make sure you knead for good 10 minutes. The dough should be soft and stretchy. Flour a bowl. And mold your dough this way. Hope you guys are seeing it. So here is the mold dough. Cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, floor the surface, a flat surface rather, and the rolling pin. It's time to spread the dough, so you'll be adding some flour. Then spread the dough. At this stage, you might not get a perfect circle shape. Alright, so don't just worry. So don't disturb yourself trying to get a perfect circle shape. Sometimes it doesn't work that way. So be placing it this way to maintain its size, alright? You don't want it to shrink. So here is a flattened dough. We need a circle shape, yes, for this shawarma bread. So this is how to get that perfect circle shape. That was why I said don't bother when you were when you are flattening the dough or spreading the dough with a rolling pin. You would always have a way to get a circle shape, and that is it, and this is it rather. So here is a perfect circle. Heat up your pan and place your shawarma bread dough. You'll be doing this on medium heat, not too high, medium heat, yes. Low, medium heat. As you guys can see, the bubbles is coming up. That shows that we are making a perfect shawarma bread. So make sure yours comes up this way. Flip over to the other side. So this is okay. You continue the same process until you exhaust your shawarma bread dough. So it will take about 3 to 4 minutes to cook on one side before flipping over to the other side. Yeah, our shawarma bread is ready. So after making your shawarma bread, transfer to a damp towel, not wet, all right? This will enable it, yes, this will enable it soft and pliable, all right? It will give you that, pliable texture. You can just, move it to any direction you want, and it still comes out, like that, all right? So that's the kind of shawarma bread we want, all right? So keep it in a damp towel for like 5 to 6 hours and you're good to go. Isn't this wonderful. Like, isn't this perfect? Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.